Starting an Amazon FBA business can be a great way to make a lasting passive income, but finding the right product can be a great challenge. That's why in this video, I'm going to take you with me while I go and look for a winning product myself, so you know exactly how to find profitable products to get started with your own Amazon FBA business. Make sure you watch the entire video because it's easy to overlook certain details that are critical to your Amazon FBA success. The first step is market identification. Before you find a good product, it's important to start noticing overall trends, best-selling products, and customer interests. This will give you some direction on what customers are looking for and what products to look into. It's pretty interesting how once you start your own Amazon FBA journey, you won't look at day-to-day products the same way anymore because everything becomes a potential business idea. Start paying attention when you shop at local stores, when you are scrolling on social media or looking for deals on Amazon yourself. Notice what is selling well, what could be a potential Amazon FBA product, or what is trending. You will be surprised at what you find sometimes. Remember, this is only the beginning stage of finding a good product. The next important step is to actually do more in-depth research on these products to validate their profitability. That's why I believe blindly following the good product idea in a lot of the Amazon FBA gurus content can be detrimental to your success because there's a lot more that goes into it. Every decision you make needs to be backed up by solid data. How you can obtain this information is by using a product research tool such as Helium 10. Next, I will share with you my screen to walk you through the exact process of looking for a winning product and how to use a product research tool such as Helium 10 for product validation so you can fail-proof your business. By the way, I have a 20% off your first 6 months discount code with Helium 10. The link is in my description box if you want to snag that. Alright, so now I'm on Amazon.com. One way I like to discover potential products is go to Amazon.com and go to their best sellers page. Here we can find a lot of products that are selling well and potentially something we can sell on Amazon FBA as well. I'm going to let you know this right off the bat because I don't want you to waste time. There are a few categories you probably want to avoid for the first time for private label, such as automotive category, beauty and personal care category, and grocery and gourmet food category, as they are gated areas, meaning that Amazon has very strict policies for selling in these categories. And sometimes it might require you to have certain certificates, so that's just going to make your Amazon FBA journey a lot more complicated. And that's why we want to avoid these categories for your first product. And obviously, we're not selling digital products, so we're not really looking into categories like apps and games, audible books, digital music, and so on. Today, let's just look into pet supplies. It's a pretty good category for Amazon FBA because pet products are usually not too big in size, and pet owners always like to spoil their pets by buying them good products. After clicking into pet supplies, as you can see, there is more subcategories and likely subcategories. What you can do is either click deeper into a niche or browse on the page to check out the best sellers in the broader category. Personally, I like to narrow it down a little bit just to find a product that's a bit more niche down. Today, let's look into cat supplies. I usually like to avoid food or litter because it's a bit more complicated to manufacture and there could be more customer issues that you need to deal with. Once you find a potential product, you can then click open the product page in a new tab. Let's check out the next page. Oh, so this protective inflatable collar looks pretty interesting. Let's open that. By the way, before I move on to the next step, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a free masterclass to teach you guys the step-by-step framework of starting Amazon FBA. It's perfect for you if you want a simple solution to build your own profitable Amazon FBA business and make a stable stream of income. The sign-up link is down in the description box below. All right, moving on, you want to look for a product that's priced not too low, ideally above 15, as we're using Amazon's fulfillment center. So there will be some Amazon fees plus our manufacturing and shipping costs. You will want to profit after all these, expenses. So if the price is too low, it's going to be too difficult for you to have a good profit margin. For example, this dog toy looks interesting, but it's only $5.99. It's priced way too low. I can actually show you guys its profit margin. So if we click open this product page, we can click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension and click profitability calculator, which is a great tool to give you like a quick first glance at the profit margin of this product. As you can see, because the unit price of this product is only $5.99 plus its manufacturing costs here and Amazon fulfillment cost, it actually gives us a negative profit margin and a negative return on investment. So I actually don't know how the seller is able to keep this business running. Maybe they're able to profit, from higher volume. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's just a good example of showing you how if you have like too low of a price, you might not be able to profit. All right, let's move on. So I'm actually going to go into the litter and housebreaking category because I remember seeing a pretty interesting product that I believe could be a great example for product research. Yes, this double layer cat litter mat. Let's open this. All right, let's go back to the first product we found to look at this product first, this protective inflatable collar. So once you find a good product, you're on its product page, you know this product is selling well, but we also need to look at how the niche is doing overall. What you need to do next is to extract the root keyword for this product, meaning the keyword that customers normally search for, and look up data for this niche. The keyword is usually at the start of the title minus the brand name. We can see that Bankmate is probably the brand name, so we don't include that. And the keyword should probably be protective inflatable collar for dogs and cats. So now let's look it up on the search bar. So you see it'll populate existing sellers that are currently selling this product. Then if you set up your Helium 10 account and downloaded its Chrome extension, you can easily access it here and you can click the X-ray Amazon product research tool. And I'll give you all the information about the current sellers such as pricing, sales, revenue, review count, and so on. And what I normally like to do is to sort the revenue from high to low so we can get a better view. Now, these are critical data for you to make the most informed decision. So you can find a product that people are buying but not too competitive. How you can confirm that is to check the sales and review count of the sellers. Before you go into the data, you want to also make sure all the sellers are relevant. So delete the ones that are not like-for-like products, meaning that it is a product that doesn't serve the same function or differs a lot in quantity. So we can see most of the sellers here have similar products, so that shouldn't be an issue. Next, let's check out the revenue of these sellers. We can see that there's a lot of sellers making 600K, 100K per month, or like more than 90K per month. But these sellers, they already have so many reviews, like tens of thousands of reviews. And we can also see that these sellers started selling back in like 2017, 2019. So that means that these sellers are already pretty established in the market, and this market just might be too saturated for you to compete. And look, there's even sellers making less than 10,000 per month that have a couple thousand reviews. So that's a pretty good indicator that this market is pretty competitive. Not only that, if we look at the ratings for this product, they're all above 4. The full score on Amazon is 5. So If anything that's above 4 is considered as satisfactory, that means the customers are pretty happy with the current sellers. It's not super easy for you to find a gap to stand out. If the sellers have a lot of revenues and reviews, but their ratings are all below 4, like 3.7 or 3.8, that means that there's still room for improvement. And you can check out their bad reviews to see how you can create your product differently to stand out. However, it is not the case for this product here. Alright, so let's look at the other product we found, which is the cat litter mat, and go through the same process. The keyword for this is cat litter mat double layer. Yeah, we should probably not include waterproof. This should be good enough. Let's just see if it gives us the same products. Yeah, so it seems like it's a pretty good keyword for this product. It gave us all similar sellers. And let's click on the Helium 10's Chrome extension again, the X-ray tool. And we're going to delete the ones that are not really double layer cat litter mat, so it doesn't mess with our data. Yeah, this one is not double layer. We can see that there are sellers making more than 300,000 per month, 100,000 per month that have a lot less reviews. There are sellers that are making a decent amount of revenue that have less than 1,000 reviews. So that means that there's still an opportunity for you to sell this product. Please note that I'm not recommending this product for you. I'm just using it as an example to show you the process of doing product research. Please do your own due diligence before investing in a product. So the ratings for this product look pretty good, 4.3, 4.6, they're all above 4, which is okay because you can always go into the seller's bad reviews to see what you can improve with the product. You want to also check the sales graph of a few sellers to make sure that this is not a seasonal product. Sometimes we think we can identify what's seasonal and what's not, but it's easy to have something slip through your mind. So you always want to make sure that you want to sell a product that can bring you a steady stream of income all year round instead of just a seasonal product. So let's click on the sales graph and look at the sales trend for a whole year, and make sure there's no huge dips or huge spikes. So it looks like, yeah, this product sales is going up steadily, and there's a few up and downs for this product, but it's okay because the overall trend is still going up and there's no huge spikes or dips. So that means that this is not a seasonal product. And sometimes we could also use our common sense as well, for this cat litter mat. The pet owners probably need this product all year round. It's not something that they only need for summer or for winter, but for products that are related to Christmas or Halloween, these products are for sure seasonal. So you want to pick a product that's going to last all year round so that you can really make sustainable passive income. Lastly, you want to ensure the profitability of the product. A quick way to do that is go into a product page and then again, click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension. Click on profitability calculator, which is a great estimation of how profitable the product is. So we can see, let's double check the price is correct, $15.99, that's correct. You can see that it gives you a pretty good estimation of the product specs, manufacturing cost, fulfillment cost, and so on. And down below here, it gives you a pretty good idea of this product's profit margin and return on investment per unit. To get a better estimation of the manufacturing cost, because here is obviously just a rough estimation, you can actually go to Alibaba.com, which is a great platform for sourcing your products. Then you can type in cat litter double layer to see the options out there for your suppliers. Then you want to click open a few suppliers that make your product. And you want to get an average of at least 5 suppliers' quotes. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a quick estimation of this product's manufacturing cost. So there's a few products here. We can see it's around like $2. $2 to $3 for this product. Then you're going to input this number to get a closer estimation of the profitability. We can see that this gives us about 19% profit margin and around 68% return on investment, which is a little bit low for an ideal product. I would say 25% is a good starting point, considering you will also need to invest part of your profit into PPC campaigns, especially during your launch. And obviously, the closest estimation of a product profitability is to get the actual quote from a supplier to calculate profitability. But this is a great way to get a quick glance to see if this product is even profitable for you to move forward with. So this is an overview of how you can do product research. You can repeat this process on your own to look for a winning product. Obviously, there is a lot more that goes into it in terms of product research and building your own profitable Amazon FBA business, and there's only so much I can fit in one YouTube video. That's why I created a free masterclass to help you learn the step-by-step framework to build a thriving Amazon FBA business and make stable passive income. Even if you don't know what products to sell, don't have a ton of money to invest, or are brand new to e-commerce, you can sign up for the free masterclass via the link in my description box. Now, if you're someone who prefers things written down, I have a free Amazon FBA guide to show you the process and strategies to build your own Amazon FBA business. Link to download this guide is also in the description box. Now, at this point of the video, you might be wondering how you can replace your 9-to-5 job by selling on Amazon. That's why you should watch this video where I share with you the step-by-step process that I used personally to make more than $10,000 a month with Amazon FBA and leave my day job. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.